US1269E and US1261E cast iron wood stove assembly. Unpacking the stove. Begin by cutting open the top of the box. Carefully turn the carton upside down. This will make accessing the stove and its components easier during the next few steps. Lift the carton off the stove and remove all packaging materials. Remove all components stored inside the firebox. These include cast iron legs, hardware packet, heat shield, hearth plate, door handle. Installing the cast iron legs. Begin by installing the 4 cast iron legs. Each leg is secured using one M8 screw and one M8 nut from the hardware packet labeled M8. Hand tighten all hardware at this stage to allow for minor adjustments. All hardware will be fully tightened later. Installing the hearth plate. Position the hearth plate between the front legs. Secure the hearth plate using the 2 M8 screws from the hardware packet. Installing the heat shield. Position the heat shield beneath the stove. Ensure the closed end of the heat shield faces the rear of the stove and the open end faces the front. Secure the heat shield using the M6 screws from the hardware packet. Tightening the hardware. Important: cast iron is durable but brittle. Do not over-tighten any bolts or screws, as excessive torque may crack the cast iron. Using a 1/2-inch socket or wrench and the supplied Allen key, tighten the 4 leg bolts until snug. A deep well socket may be required. Tighten the 2 hearth plate screws using the supplied Allen key. Tighten all 4 heat shield screws using the supplied Allen key. Turning the stove upright. With all hardware securely tightened, carefully turn the stove upright. Important: use proper lifting techniques and have a second person assist if necessary. Avoid dropping or striking the stove, as cast iron components may crack if subjected to impact. Installing the flue collar. Position the flue collar on the top of the stove. Secure it using the 2 M6 screws from the hardware packet. Tighten the screws with the supplied Allen key. Installing the door. Align the door hinges with the hinge mounts on the stove. Insert the supplied hinge pins through the hinges until the door is fully secured. Installing the door handle. Install the nickel-plated spring handle onto the door latch. Verify that the handle operates smoothly and that the door latches securely. Your US1269E or US1261E cast iron wood stove is now fully assembled and ready for installation in accordance with the owner's manual and all applicable local building codes.